The contest to give Canada its next fighter jet just got a massive jolt. A powerful new alliance has formed. It could change everything. Sweden's Saab, maker of the Gripen, is not standing alone. It now has the full weight of a global giant behind it, Rolls-Royce. This is more than a press release. It's a strategic partnership meant to answer Canada's biggest concerns. It pushes the Gripen into a new light. Many now ask, is this the twist that tilts the scales? The news landed across the defense world. For months, the race was a two-horse contest. The American F-35, the Swedish Gripen, each with strengths, each with weaknesses. Rolls-Royce isn't just offering an engine, it's offering a comprehensive industrial promise, jobs, technology, long-term value for the taxpayer. The story is no longer just a plane, it's a partnership. A legacy American defense relationship versus a fresh European-Canadian collaboration. At stake, the future of the Royal Canadian Air Force. Canada's aging CF-18 Hornets need replacing. They've served for decades. The successor choice will define Canada's air defense for a generation. The decision hinges on capability, cost, economic benefits. With Rolls-Royce in the picture, Gripen's argument is stronger on all three. So, what exactly is the Gripen? Let's break it down. The Gripen is a single-engine, multi-role fighter jet. It is designed and built by the Swedish aerospace company Saab. It is known for being agile and versatile. It can handle air-to-air combat, ground attack missions, surveillance. A key selling point, operational cost. Less expensive to fly, less expensive to maintain, compared to larger twin-engine rivals. It can operate from shorter runways, even highways. Tactical flexibility. This is particularly relevant for a country with a vast and remote landscape like Canada's Arctic. The Gripen's engine has always been a point of discussion. It's the same family of engines used in the Super Hornet. This is an American engine. That has meant a degree of reliance on the United States for parts and support. This new development introduces a major change to that equation. The Rolls-Royce proposal isn't about changing the engine itself. Instead, it is about who services it and where the economic benefits flow. Rolls-Royce is proposing to handle the in-service support for these GE engines right here in Canada, creating a Canadian-led solution. This is where the alliance gets interesting. Rolls-Royce is a British company with a massive presence in Canada already. It has facilities and employees across the country. The company is a world leader in engine technology. By stepping in to manage the support for the Gripen's engines, Rolls-Royce offers a credible, established Canadian industrial footprint. This addresses a key political requirement for any major defense purchase: high-quality local jobs. It's a promise of employment and investment. This adds a layer of economic security to Saab's bid. Let's compare this for a moment. The F-35, the Gripen's main competitor, is also a single-engine jet. Its engine is the Pratt & Whitney F-135. Support for that program is managed through a US-led global logistics network. Countries that buy the F-35 feed into that system. The Gripen Rolls-Royce offer presents a different model. It is a bespoke Canadian solution. Instead of plugging into a foreign system, Canada can build up its own sovereign capability. This is a powerful argument for a country that values its independence on the world stage. The choice is becoming clearer. One path offers integration, the other offers sovereignty. The promise from Rolls-Royce is specific and direct. It is not a vague pledge. It is a detailed plan. Rolls-Royce will establish a major service center in Canada for the Gripen's engines. The center will handle maintenance, repair, overhaul. It involves engine diagnostics, disassembly component, repair reassembly. It requires specialized tools. It requires trained technicians. Rolls-Royce will create these jobs on Canadian soil. This is the core of their value proposition. It is tangible. It is measurable. The plan goes beyond maintenance. Rolls-Royce is offering technology transfer. Tech transfer means giving Canadian industry the knowledge and IP to service the engines and to contribute to future development. This builds a domestic skill base long after delivery. It empowers Canadian aerospace companies globally. It moves Canada from customer to partner. It's about building a legacy, not just buying a product. The proposal includes comprehensive training programs. Canadian technicians trained by Rolls-Royce experts will create a self-sustaining workforce. Let's talk about the money. For the Canadian taxpayer, this is a crucial part of the story. Fighter jets are incredibly expensive. The purchase price is just the beginning. The real cost comes over the decades of flying, maintaining, upgrading the fleet. This is what we call the life cycle cost. The Gripen has always been presented as the more affordable option in this regard. Saab claims its operating costs are significantly lower than its competitors. The Rolls-Royce partnership is designed to strengthen that claim and make it even more attractive to a budget-conscious government. Here is how it works. By performing engine maintenance in Canada, you eliminate the high costs of shipping massive engines and components across the Atlantic. That saves money on transport. It also saves time. A jet waiting for a part from a foreign depot is a jet that is not flying. This story is about more than engines economics. It is about a fundamental question of national control. We call this sovereignty. For a country like Canada, the ability to operate its military independently is a point of pride, a matter of national security. Relying on another nation for critical defense technology can create vulnerabilities. If political relationships sour, access to essential parts and software updates could be restricted. The Gripen Rolls-Royce proposal is framed as a direct answer to this concern. It offers Canada a path to greater self-reliance in the air. The concept of a made-in-Canada solution is politically powerful. While the Gripen jet itself is Swedish, the partnership with Rolls-Royce Canada aims to Canadianize the most critical part of its long-term operation: engine support. By establishing maintenance hubs in Canada, training hubs in Canada, technology hubs in Canada, the deal ensures Canada holds the keys to its own fleet. In the end, this massive twist has made the decision harder and clearer all at once. The Rolls-Royce commitment has significantly strengthened the Gripen's bid. It has transformed the offer from being simply about a capable, affordable fighter jet to being about a comprehensive industrial partnership. It addresses Canada's core desires for jobs, for sovereign control, and for long-term cost certainty. The move has forced everyone, from government officials to the public, to take a fresh look at what the Swedish team is bringing to the table. The ball is now in the Canadian government's court. Officials in Ottawa must weigh this enhanced offer against the formidable capabilities of the F-35. They must scrutinize the promises made by both sides. They need to turn these pledges into ironclad contractual obligations. The final decision will involve a complex analysis of many factors. The jet's performance in the harsh Canadian Arctic, their advanced sensor and weapons capabilities, the true total cost over their full lifespan, and the real-world economic benefits that will be delivered to Canadians. This is not a simple choice, but Rolls-Royce has turned Gripen into a heavyweight contender.